So I'm Ryan Faith. I'm the SVP of Engineering and Operations here at Trilogy. I'm from Kelowna, Canada. So I used to work for the largest EMR in Canada. But early on in COVID, we decided that it doesn't matter where people worked. In fact, we used the fact that COVID hit to say to the rest of the company, who was more worried about it than we were, that you know what, I don't care where you work, I care that you deliver. I know it's possible, because one of the things that I have experience with is with a remote team. So it made a lot of sense. It is just down to how you layer it in, how you break things down, how you perceive the problem. So I learned a lot of things about Trilogy, being the new wave of remote work and approaching problems differently and doing things 24/7, but working 40 hours a week. We are different. You won't understand until you come in, but that's part of the challenge and part of the draw, right? I like good challenges. Trilogy's mode is non-standard, and I've not seen anything else like this anywhere else. But it is a good mix of lean, where you're looking at just in time, you want to reduce waste, and their whole mantra is how do we look at any given system and reduce waste. So meetings, while good, and you get the right answers, are wasteful. The other thing that's really interesting about Trilogy is their mantra on get it done quick. So the pace at Trilogy is something else altogether. It is, hey, this is a problem, let's talk about it this week. These people get together, solve it by Friday, implement it by Monday. Now that's a pace that I've never seen anywhere else, and they actually do it. I think that you need to be a certain type of person to work here. You have to enjoy a certain amount of energy. You have to enjoy a certain amount of pressure. And I don't do the typical 8 hours like most typical people, because I've got family and I prioritize it that way. So I do 4 hours very early in the morning, and then I have a good 2-hour block with family in the point of day where everyone's still fresh. And then I go back in for another 4 hours, and I come out like I feel when I do 8 hours, I've done 8 hours. So it's like going to the gym. You didn't just stroll on the treadmill, you ran the treadmill, you felt like you really put in a good amount of work, and then you shut off and you're like, that was a good day's work, and tomorrow will be great again. My name is Ryan Faith, and I get to spend more quality time with family during waking hours, thanks to Crossover.